Here comes Q031 coming. Yeah, I just had to come over here, so for 031.
Q031-10 westbound track 2. Tanglewood is clear. Locomotive 841.
Alright, I'm probably gonna catch 416 way here or at the other part. I'm not quite sure which yet, but he's on his way. Should be here within, I don't know, 40 minutes ish. Ice cream, ice cream for ice cream. Yeah. Sorry, I had to. I don't know if we're gonna catch 415 or not. So if I do agree, if I don't, oh well. At least I tried, because I'm at a point now, I say, I want to go home. Oh, he just shot one today. Alright, Q415. Q031-10, I meant to say. Sorry, my bad. As far as I can tell, you guys look good. And we got Jesse Bailey Y. Jesse System Bailey Y. That's him right there. Like, subscribe. He's a good friend of mine.